Your kitchen, your way.
Hey guys, welcome to Your Kitchen Your Way. Today I'm going to be making an easy recipe for a banana bread. Let's get to it. So for today's dish, I am going to need the following ingredients. I'm going to need a stick of butter, brown sugar, all-purpose flour, vanilla extract, salt, and baking soda. Here I have some ripe bananas. We also need some eggs. To begin with, we're going to throw in our butter. I have a hand mixer that I'm going to use in this video. I have my softened butter and brown sugar. And here comes my mixer. I'm going to mix this until everything is well combined. Once everything is combined, I throw in my eggs, and I'm going to mix this for a little bit as well. Next is my vanilla extract. And I have my peeled bananas that I'm going to toss in there. Once everything is combined, it's time for the flour. So I have a sieve here that I'm going to pass my flour through. I threw the flour in, I add the salt, and the baking powder, the baking soda, and then sieve everything. Once that's done, I combine everything. Once I am done mixing everything, I spray my pan. And then I'm going to put my mixture, banana bread mixture, into my pan. Go into the oven it goes. And this is it, guys. This is actually a recipe that I found online. I tweaked it and made it the way I like it, and I hope you enjoy it. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out my other videos on my channel.